Coloring with Rutapa.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutapa channel. Today we are going to draw and color the poached egg. So friends, let's get begin. It will be the fun to draw the poached egg together. Yes! First, draw the structure according to me. Let's have some fun with the markers and then start coloring. I take orange color here. Wow! It's amazing to color the poached egg. Yes! Friends, are you enjoying coloring with me? In the last, I take peach color to color the whole white egg. Fantastic! So friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of our updates. This is Rutapa signing off until my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.